Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Wednesday, the 17th of December. Southwest breeze up there, and that's going to boost temperatures today. We're going to be in the 40s, a lot milder than we've seen. You're going to lose a lot of the snow cover here over the next 24 hours. That southwest wind really whipping that milder air above freezing, like 44, 45 degrees right through the snow. Now, tonight we refreeze anything that did melt. Tomorrow we're up near 50 with sunshine, less wind. That is my pick of the next 3 days. Just a great day. Cold front does approach on Friday, some showers developing. Friday's highs in the mid to upper 50s. There's going to be some very strong wind above us. This time of the year, it's hard to mix that wind down to the surface. We end up with little inversions, and since the wind can't mix down, it stays above us, but it's going to be gusty. Now, if it did mix down, we'd have damaging winds. We'll keep an eye on that. It's not going to surprise me if we see a wind advisory for Friday, however. Mostly sunny Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures in the upper 30s on Saturday, mid 40s on Sunday. Have a great day, everybody.